against like this.
फील पे बिल्कुल चिपका दो. दबायो या.
Perfect. Good job.
And we're done.
Good job, Mira.
Everybody got a part.
Yes. Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily week. Namaskaram everyone. It's 6:30 a.m. Yes, it's very nice and cold over here. So I put my blanket on and slept for a while longer. But now it's time for sadhana. But it is locked. Oh no, sadhana room is locked. Let me check if it's open here. Else I'll have to do sadhana in the attic. Oh no, they locked it. Kanika, I think in preparations for today's program, locked it. So I will do up. Okay. So this is a beautiful place. This is the attic, I think. Oh. Yeah, it's a very beautiful scenery from here. Early morning. Oh, if you're a good artist, Netraka, you can come and do your mandala over here. Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to defeat Kanika in X and 0.
You're going to defeat me.
Yes. Or I will get defeated. Oh, stalemate. Expert. I don't know. Again, stalemate.
This is boring. This is not fun.
This is fun only. Oh
No.
I won. See, I won.
But how did this happen that there are...
It's all rigged.
It's rigged. Cheating हुई है.
आज का breakfast.
Yummy.
By Kanika ka recommendation. What is this?
Bhutta.
And silence. Bhutta.
Bhutta is तुम्हें
You have to say what is this?
watermelon.
Ah, say no.
मतलब वो तो दिख रहा है. Put like 3 spoonfuls. I think.
I'm shooting.
Shoot the shooter.
Shoot the shooter.
Enough, I guess. Now add water धीरे धीरे. थोड़ा थोड़ा. Because like add a little bit, yeah, and mix like that. You want, I can also add. So you can keep mixing. Oh, sorry. Careful. This shouldn't leave a stain. I'll wash it.
टर्मरिक को बोला जेल लीजिए.
Is it turmeric or a gel? What?
I proved that I am an intern.
And can we keep neem and turmeric in fridge for a few days?
Yes, you can keep it for 2 to 3 days, but not more than that. Otherwise, it will get mold.
Oh.
So 2-3 दिन तक फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं.
Okay, everyone, this is what is called Indian Jugaad. So for charging, we have a table, pillow, power bank, and the charger. So this is all credits to Apurva. Aaj khane mein we have salad. What is this rice?
It's jeera rice.
Jeera rice.
And zucchini kofta.
Zucchini, the yellow.
And mixed vegetable and raita.
Right. And Kanika to taste them all.
See, now you're close to completion. So
Pro.
you have to
In Monopoly.
you work on either completing this one or get red or yellow or
I'm
green.
almost lost.
He has one.
No
that
money, no property. सब कनिका अक्का ने लुटा दिया.
one. Can I use the debt collector?
As a revenge for the
Yeah,
X
you
and
can use
Zero.
debt collector. Who do you want 5 minutes?
Continuing with revenge.
And who's winning?
Me.
You're winning if winning is losing. Because you only lost.
बेइज्जती बहुत हो रही है इधर. For trek 2. That's it. We can go.
Let's go.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. And the trekking path. Ah. Okay. Where is the bird? Acha, here. Can you see the bird, guys? There. That's the bird.
I've already reached.
No. Because let me say for the video, because Kanikaka is does not have so much stamina. She is resting, and we have been continuously trekking. Yes, we went up and came, so she told she is not strong enough, so she'll wait here. Are you relaxed?
Like you won in Uno. The same version of truth. चलो अब इधर से जाना है या रोड से जाना है? Whatever you guys are up for.
नहीं हम
We are attending a dinner today. We have a good fruit salad with vegetables also, and vegetables, dal, rice, and of course awesome chutney. So everyone, this is the famous pudina chutney of Bibin Bhaiya. When you come to Shilaru, you have to specifically ask for this. This goes well with everything.
And it's
Chutney, rice,
too yummy.
and it's too yummy. So you take rice and make chapati shawarma. Kanika doesn't agree.
I'm just amused what you do.
Yes. What about Apurvaka? Do you agree?
yummy.
We will christen it Shilaru muffin. Shilaru muffin special.
हम रखते हैं.
सिर्फ शिलरू प्रोजेक्ट में ही मिलेगा
हाँ ये
आपको.
ले जाओ.
And it's super yummy. And we are gonna steal Kanikaka's muffin.
No, you can't.
How is Shilaru muffin? Shilaru project muffin.
Yummy. Really good.
Namaskaram everyone and good morning. This is my new room with 3 beds. So I got shifted here because some more participants were supposed to come, but they shifted to the 7-day course because I think they saw the pictures on the Shilaru page and they wanted to enjoy more time over here. So this is my new room. I shifted for no reason, but that's fine. And it's 5 a.m. in the morning and our session starts at 7 a.m. So I woke early so that I could finish my Kriya, because today there'll be pottery classes and a lot of other activities. So now I'll do my practices and then by 6:50 I'll go for the class. Okay, sadhana over. Now I'm going to the class, so I'll keep my phone here for charging and I'll see you guys after the first Surya Kriya class. Okay, the session just got over. It is good to do. It feels really good to attend the full class of Surya Kriya again, because a lot of mistakes have creeped in, and right now I have not been able to volunteer in any of the Surya Kriya programs in Kerala because I know Hatha Yoga is happening, So this feels nice to get the minor corrections right, because Surya Kriya it has just become very mechanical for me, and it feels that it is getting back to where it was. So now to today's breakfast. How was first day class, Apurvaka?
First day class was amazing. I really liked it. It was a bit challenging for me, but I did it.
Did you like the neem and turmeric balls?
Yes, I did. I have had tablets before, like capsules before, but this is the first time I had balls.
You guys are making my life easy. I just repost the story.
Shilaru salad pyramid.
Many kinds of pyramids.
Yes. So we are inaugurating the pyramid. Oh.
I'm gonna take most of the papayas because I like papaya. Go ahead. It's good.
No.
It has mango too.
Oh, mango also.
We've made ginger water already. So maybe we can have it later. Yeah. So this is hot.
It didn't get saved.
Yeah, no, I didn't click the video.
And these apricots are
Special dressing.
slightly
What does it
higher.
have?
Honey, lemon,
The local
and
kind,
salt
which is
and
chili, they
pepper.
call it chili. इतना छोटा होता है. That as soon as you pick it now, I think now that's only on resale or something. They're a bit they're picky about.
And
Who
there's
gets
also an
what
ownership
position.
thing,
There
like
is
you
an
can't
Don't worry.
pass it on to.
Yeah, like I won't get
I let it down.
Yeah, you can't pass it on to your children. Oh, really? Yeah.
No, no. We will. The ashram will just take it back.
Okay, everyone. Today we are going Today's the day. We are the 4th day you're here, no?
15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, it's 4th day
Yeah,
here.
so the 4th day, and we are going on a trek to the nearby village. And since the climate is very cloudy, it might rain, and I am fully decked, and I hope it rains. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Okay, today we are choosing a new path to reach the old spot. I have to go front. Okay, as you can see, people are coming over here and littering it with beer bottles. They should actually carry a plastic bag and take it back. Be a little bit more responsible, homies. Drink your beer, but take it back with you. The bottles, let the beer be in your tummy. See, so many beer bottles strewn all over. Which brand? Thunderbolt. Okay, Thunderbolt, I don't know. But guys, be like Thunderbolt and take it back. Cave. This is called snake plant. We have snake plant.
Everything is Om Namah Shivaya.
This is not like, this is a little Purana, but
Purana snake
you
plant.
can see this one.
Yeah, it kind of becomes like a lily.
And it turns white.
It's
ये
white.
white भी हो जाता है.
Breathe in.
बस होने वाला है. Almost there.
इत्तू सी जगह, इत्तू सी और.
Come on, team. How's the Josh? चलो.
Like 10 minutes.
इत्तू सी और. 50 मीटर और.
Then we stop there for a bit, yeah?
Yeah, then you can relax. Like the pasture is beautiful. You can lie down.
Gaddis and all, and people who are in the forest.
Nomad,
अपना cattle चरा रहे हैं, so they'll just stop here at night.
Oh, anybody can.
Anyone
It's
can.
free for all.
Yep. There's a lot of these. Gaddis keep building them and leaving them around. They have a route.
How beautiful.
Did you
They
take
know
a
where the
video?
houses are at.
Yeah.
But shouldn't you have to make the houses like this also? With stone stacks.
No, those are all cattle sheds.
Oh,
The houses are always wooden. Fully wooden. Yeah, fully wooden. Like there'll be wooden stilts, wooden floors, slate roof, of course.
Yeah, slate roof.
And the bottom bits, wherever they put cattle, it'll be this stone. It would be super cold to live in this.
Yeah.
But we wouldn't have seen this if we'd come from the road. So.
No way.
Good stuff, guys.
This is slate on top.
Give yourself a high five.
It's black, na?
Yeah. And thinner.
Thinner, much thinner.
Just look how there's no cement or anything. Just stone on stone.
And I'm sure it's very stable also. Like
Yeah, you.
we last years.
A lot.
Press fit type.
Google Maps rerouting.
Forest wash over here.
So have you been posting
Forest all around.
videos on YouTube?
No, I'll go back home and edit and post.
Find a rock.
We can do that also.
See, forest
Do
wash.
that.
Forest wash.
You call it that.
Forest bathing, हाँ हाँ.
Oh yeah.
वो वही है वो pasture में जाके.
That is open. It's very beautiful.
Rerouting. Google Maps rerouting.
Like the local kids play cricket.
चलो.
इधर से.
हाँ इधर से ठीक है.
Like it'll be worth it.
Once you're back, you'll miss it.
Pit stop. Back at our earlier cafe.
Is anybody carrying money?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have my phone also paid.
They have phone pay. We're back to Pahari Cafe.
We सब मिलेगा.
But don't do it. She's watching. I watch that. Yeah, she's watching.
Teacher is one.
अभी 2 दिन के लिए प्रोग्राम है. No chips.
No chips. No lace.
उसके बाद जो मर्जी खा.
Okay, we are climbing the same trek again. The Shiluru project. Pasture trek.
The pasture.
Pasture trek. This can't be even found on Google Maps. You'll have to come and stay at Shiluru.
Find it.
Yes. You have to come and learn pottery at Shiluru project. Only then.
Come no.
No. Oh. Shiluru project secret pasture. Yeah.
Now see, wasn't it worth it?
So we are Pahari Cafe owner.
नहीं 12 तो पक्का ही है 14 हो सकता है. हाँ.
Jaipur.
Jaipur is too.
फन होगा. क्योंकि कैंपिंग मैंने उनको बोला नहीं
But
था.
seriously, who goes to Jaipur after coming to
एडिशनल हो
Himachal?
जाएगा. हाँ.
Me.
क्या लॉजिक है? ये कोई जोग्राफिकली भी नहीं सेंस बनता.
Life doesn't have sense.
वो इतना अप फॉर एडवेंचर पता नहीं है कि नहीं
उनको
लोग.
बोला थोड़ी सी शॉर्ट ट्रैक है.
इनको जैसे पटाखे ले आए.
इनको सुबह से चलाया बस इधर ही है. चलो चलो.
नहीं पहले इन्होंने 2 घंटे योगा किया है.
डिफिकल्ट रहेगा वो. इजी मॉडरेट नहीं है.
तभी वो 5-6 दिन योगा किया होगा. एक्लेमेटाइज होंगे. फिर थोड़ा ग्रुप में जोश रहता है.
हाँ वो रहता है. एक्लेमेटाइज हो जाएगा.
हाँ, उसमें
All the
देखो,
scams.
3 और हम 2-5 तो हम मतलब हम लोग तो यंग में ही आते हैं. वो लोग हैं 50+ बाकी 7 पीपल. बट आई थिंक जोश में 5-6 दिन तो योगा भी किया हुआ है तो हिम्मत बढ़ जाएगी.
How do we contact Sunny for treks?
सनी अपना डिटेल्स बताओ.
Instagram
वो
page.
YouTube पे डालेगा, वो बहुत फॉलो.
हाई इन हिमालयस बोलो अपना वो टैग इंस्टाग्राम.
You can follow us on High in Himalayas and Narkanda
वैसा करना, you put the YouTube link, the
Description.
website link and everything.
What's the link? Instagram?
हाई
High
इन
in
हिमालयस.
Himalayas and Narkanda Camps
I can find in your book.
मेरे फॉलोअर्स और फॉलोइंग दोनों में इनका नाम होगा हाई इन
You
हिमालयस.
can check there.
The first time. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you've been many times.
No. This is the first time I've come to Shilaru. I've come to Himachal before, but like, what do you record?
It's the first time I've come.
This is my raw content. You should just leave me to be. I will be shooting like this.
So the thing is that I knew about these guys. I wanted to come for a long time, but फिर COVID था तो 1-1.5 साल तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था. मैं last year से plan कर रही हूँ आने के लिए, and I wanted to come on my own, be a participant, like learn.
But I came.
No. Then of course we planned. These guys said that you want to come teach, and we've been talking about that. And so then we decided that we'll do a program. And everything. So this is the first time we've done it.
I saw it through this pottery thing, you know, through some pottery groups.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
I thought you've like been here 2-3 times. or
No. So you guys are actually the first group that we're doing. Yeah.
This is like
And बाकी वो the other people will change. ये लोग तो 20th को जा रहे हैं. तो सही है. Yeah. No, you go from that way. कनिका को पता है रास्ता. कल ले गई थी मैं उसको.
Oh, you are not coming?
I'm coming.
Bye.
I will drive.
Okay, see you.
अब दबा के खाएंगे हम lunch.
Got it in the video. Okay, everyone. So this is Pahari Cafe. Yes. So this is the cafe that is owned by Sunny Bro, who we saw, who organizes treks.
You want me to hold it for you?
Okay, so this is the cafe owned by Sunny, guy who organizes the treks. So I'll put the link in the description.
And please come here.
And what
Have
is
the ginger lemon honey.
yeah? So what do we need?
You can take off your mask to speak.
What do we need to say to get the ginger lemon tea with honey?
No, you say just you want ginger lemon honey. Honey अलग से, पानी ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं करना.
क्योंकि
Because never put honey in hot water.
Hatha Yoga Diaries.
Yes, don't put honey in hot water.
I'll put all the links in the description and also his phone number, so you guys can just check it out. Ta-ta. Water is coming, huh?
Yeah,
Photo.
I did.
And our kilometer, what do you call this? Kilometer hump? Milestone. Oh, milestone. पर milestone में kilometer क्यों है? So it's kilometer stone. So 1 kilometer from Shilaru. Kilometer hump, that is the name. Yes. आज से whenever you see that, we're gonna call it kilometer hump. No more milestone. Yes. So we are coming across. What is this? This is not kilometer stone. This is BSNL. गए वापस मस्त.
Let me lock you out.
Oh, locking me out.
Bye, I'm going to have lunch.
और अब हम जाएंगे. अरे क्या हुआ? अच्छा. उल्टा. और अब होगा जबरदस्त शून्य. Oh yeah. रब्बा मेरे मैं न बना.
Now you're in love with that song. So hungry. चलो अब day 2
Direct.
Empty stomach.
Empty stomach. Very hungry. Direct सूर्य क्रिया. अब होगा असली साधना खाने के साथ. Okay, I'll come back after my shunya. Bye. 12 o'clock promised lunch. Given at 3. Thank you, Abla Nari. Your chocolate and little heart is still remaining. Thank you.
Very sensual scene. She's like sending me this, like only the father got it.
There is like quarters festival for the client. One of the quarters.
So we are unloading with Kanika.
Oh
Oh wow! Wow!
What treasures!
Oh wow! When we loaded, it was.
dude, look at this.
This is all baked, huh? What is that?
This is, I think, a handle for one of the things, maybe. I don't know. I could be wrong.
She's made it like a frame. She wants to put a mirror in it, Saloni.
Where is the cloud god? Did she take? Okay.
Oh, Cloud, she took it?
Cloud God.
Cloud god.
There's a tradition of putting a kiln before the firing. So she was obsessed with clouds. So she made a little.
This is so pretty.
Yeah. Now once I glaze it, it'll be.
You made this?
Yeah. Everything else. Uska to ye.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you touch it?
Wait. Yeah.
Wow.
Gotta glaze this. This is the one, you know, that Himanshu, he made a video of me making a pot on Instagram. This is the pot.
I would love to make something like this.
You're here long enough, I say.
Maybe like,
Actually, we just put these things here. If you're pulling.
should we put them there?
Rich glaze, so, and the different kinds in all of them.
This is too fascinating.
So there are people.
Civilization back again.
ये वैसे थोड़ा सा crack हुआ है, ये बिस्मिल crack हुआ है।
हाँ, ये बिस्मिल क्रैक हुआ है, पर ये ना हम ग्लेज करते हैं ना,
तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा।
वो इतना भर जाएगा। अगर बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा ना, तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। This is silicon carbide tiles. So they are used as kiln shells. Like this is also silicon carbide. So this I stack them. It's a fiber wool. You can touch it, but उसमें हाथ में वो है ना. Don't do this. Yeah.
Gosh, how did you get all this up here?
I remember seeing that video.
Yeah, man. Took 10 men to bring this kiln down. This Saloni man.
Wow.
The teapot. Ablanari teapot.
2 weeks.
First try, yeah?
Yes, 2 weeks. But she was hardworking and she was really into it, so we spent like 6, 7.
Oh, this one's also cracked.
No, I will put glaze and then send it to her. Again, ये biscuit glaze में ठीक हो जाएगा.
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं होगा ठीक, you know. But this is fine. We put. I'm anyway going to cut it with a tile cutter.
Can you overwork the clay also?
So what is this process called? Kanika?
Wedging. It's called wedging.
What is it used for?
It's to gundo the atta. No, we're working the clay to remove any air bubbles from it.
Yes.
Take a video of Priyanka doing it because she's doing it much better.
Yeah, just the hands. Okay. Camera conscious Priyanka. So you guys will have to imagine her face.
Some potters see this and they'll say, what is she doing?
What's happening with Apurva? ऐसे यहाँ तो बिल्कुल रोटी बन रही है. Proper रोटी.
No, but I have less clay.
अच्छा, मेरा तो ठीक है. एक फेस डालूंगा.
You make like that Ganpati, like they make with atta na the kids.
Ganpati Bappa.
Really there?
Yeah.
In schools and all, like they make little Ganeshjis with atta.
मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू.
कैसे बुलाएगा
Mummy make a ball, yeah?
तू चाहे तू लौट के go.
Now we are gonna make pots.
Videographer is always there, like you know in the movies when you're when शादी में जब तुम खाना खा रहे होते हो and people come to shoot you.
People are like, अरे.
You're like, oh, awkward. We're filling pots and like.
Assistant hand. No
Yeah, you
face.
don't wanna be
No
in the
face. Light लगाओ assistant. Light. White light किधर है?
So nice, huh? Just to do this in this weather. And
1,000 places.
what is she about?
You don't.
Here, on this side, yeah?
Yeah, if you right-handed, so closer to you.
Double stress with camera. Performance pressure.
Yes, get your balls of clay.
Put a little blessing to it.
It's a throwdown.
Throwdown.
There's a. Difficult to
class. Ma'am की favorite student.
of the year.
Ma'am की
I'm gonna press the base and try to make it flat. No, bases should be flat. All right, we are done with this part. It's not gonna go anywhere more. So you want now stop the wheel. You saw what they did, right? You can do it. Here you go. Tight. One small kick.
Ask favorite student for help.
6 months. Huh?
One small kick. Done.
Nice.
Yeah, it's sort of making some funny thing on the side.
Yeah, that's because your one hand is applying more pressure than the other kick. You've made a hole in this.
Hole?
Anyway, I've
As in
compressed
it's
it
through and
back
through?
down. Yeah, you went through and through at some
Oh
point.
my god, it's a bangle then.
See,
अब हम बनाएंगे baby plate.
first we bring it back like how we had the little cone in the beginning. Kick, kick. Now this is a workout for you, only kicking.
Kick Priyanka, kick. भाग Priyanka, भाग.
भाग मिलकर भाग.
Okay. Now I will center it, like centering is most important.
I'm worried, will someone see these videos and become potters?
If they do,
कोई नहीं,
they're
आप kick रुक
amazing.
दो. Yeah, रोक दो. हाँ. Okay, so I have, I'm gonna press down. Because what is a plate? A plate is flat. Kick.
Am I not applying enough pressure on the kick?
I think so. Because you should not have to kick so many times.
Oh my god, I don't have any strength.
I don't know if it's strength or
Technique.
technique. Because it's not really a matter of strength. हो गया.
Okay.
Magic, magic. Da, 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 da.
It just seems like she's doing it. I'm doing it.
The saucer plate. So cute.
A little bit of a curve. Beauty is in the curves, right?
Wow.
हो गया.
Kick?
नहीं हो गया.
Punch, punch.
Punch.
Vaisat's cup. Punch that.
Oh no. My precious, my precious.
We're done. अब रोक दो आप भी. इसको हम.
And one kick.
One kick and then you pull towards yourself against the wheel. हाँ. बिल्कुल
Against, like this.
wheel पे बिल्कुल चिपका दो.
The wire.
दबाओ, yeah.
Perfect. Good job.
And we're done.
Good job, Virang.
Everybody got a part.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's my aim.
Oh, the teacher made it for us.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na, ta-na.
You put all your water in this. Then when it's sunny, I open it out and it dries out. Then I powder it and then I sieve the powder just to make sure there's no weird bits in it. And then rehydrate it to the right consistency and then pack it again
To make clay.
to make it back, essentially.
Very hard working, man.
So let's put it all in and use your sponge to clear
The
out.
powder that you put is what?
No, I just powder it back. Like I'd let it dry completely to sieve it, right? Because otherwise I can't get out. In case it has little bits of sponge.
We just pour it, yeah?
And the real destruction.
I hate everyone.
Come on, break. Come on, oh.
Yeah. Priyanka's doing it. We're going to make Priyanka evil by
Yes, evil lady in the home. मुझे भी तोड़ना है, एक मेरे लिए छोड़ दो.
दो है. I got you two.
It's like breaking chocolate, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Okay, there.
No, it's splashed.
All my
Think
anger,
of everyone you hate.
all my enemies, haters, hate comments.
He has a list. What do you think? It was soft hai, to pick
Oh
kar lo.
no.
Can we eat it?
It's okay. It's okay. You put it in the
Apricot.
chutney. Press and see if it's soft.
Is it good?
It's yummy.
मुझे भी दे दो. मुझे भी चाहिए.
Super yummy.
एक दे दो.
Something that you can press is good to eat.
दोस्ती के नाम पे दे दो.
Come. Try the redders and just press if it is
Take a
soft.
more red one.
That.
Not
It's
pressing.
delicious.
It's been in your salad, but you know you don't come to know with all the fruit.
So yummy.
Tomorrow we'll pick the cholai and all that also for the cooking.
अरे बाप रे.
We'll do the picking for the cooking ourselves. You know, we would have picked these, but we knew the programs were happening, so we let it be. So people can
Put it
pick
also there. You can pick
Yeah.
apricots, and people are like, "Oh, I really want to come,
Yeah.
but I don't have chutti or whatever."
That's why we left it. Otherwise, we would have picked them all in one day. It doesn't
See how nice the teacher is.
This and all, yeah, this is all Fauji style. Like my father's like, you want to pick these? We won't harvest them. Like blah blah blah. Instructions were given to everybody. Nobody picked these. It's self-fertilizing.
Same soil.
Hmm.
In every place where there's a
This concept that we need to plant
What is
things
this?
away from each other to give them space is false.
this na here
They
there's
like
7
to be
levels
together.
of plants.
It's a very
Oh, okay.
So they all
symbiotic
come
sort
up
of
like you
people.
get
The
different
idea
things
is like
from
in the
under and they
forest,
release
nobody is like
nitrogen,
measuring
yeah,
and
which is
putting
very good
plants
for
at
the soil.
XYZ distance, right? And if you see, so it's copying the forest ka pattern. So in the forest, there's always one big tree and then many little things underneath it. So if you copy that pattern, it works. And this works for fruit trees especially well. So there's no need to put urea, nitrogen fixers, none of these things to it, and all the layers will redo. And this mulching, so now all of this stuff is things that were growing here.
Ghas food.
घास फूस इधर ही लगा दिया. ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं है. You don't have to get mulching material from somewhere, then add it. Just a little bit from here, we put it here.
Did you have to get
Done.
like a technical person to know all this?
We learnt it. Me and
the
Shubhangna
locals.
did bunch of courses at the Horticulture University. We read up, and ultimately the test is in the experiment. So after 8 years, it is good. We don't.
It's working.
So there are many diseases that an apple tree gets, like aphid, mildew.
Botrytis?
Huh?
Botrytis?
I don't know that one, but
This is what is this down below that grey thing?
this. Oh, so they've put lime.
To s-
हाँ तो उसको थोड़ा सा protect करने के लिए they put this PVC का pipe that is put just so that the lime stays there. So so we don't want to put anything that's not
Lime is for
technically.
the insects.
This tree had a little. It's an old tree, so the bark was splitting a bit. So lime helps it to sort of heal a little bit. So just to protect it, we don't want to give up any trees until they give up on us. So we keep trying to save them as much as we can. There's one tree my dad's very proud of because everybody's like, "Isko to kaatna padega." But he put this PVC pipe system at the bottom, and the bark regrew.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's like our success story. We literally brought it back from the dead.
Dude, this is amazing.
Interesting fact about plants, petunias are awesome to figure out your pH value. So petunias will change color according to the pH of the soil. You know that?
Oh, so if it's white, it's basic or what?
The white is going to turn into purple, no? Huh? So purple is good, it's neutral.
Wow.
So different colored petunias are not actually different colored plants. It's
Just
actually
different
the soil.
pH soil.
Yeah. So
Wow.
that's cool facts about petunias. Like
All the white turns into purple.
it's going to slow it down into purple. It's fun fact.
It's too fascinating.
This tree, yeah?
This is the
मैं
trick.
ऐसे farmer potter बनना चाहती हूँ.
He brought it back. You're like, ये तो नहीं अब खत्म है काट दो. And now it has started sprouting new branches. Didn't you see?
And it's fruiting and
Little new
yeah,
ones.
yeah.
The science of it. Look at him
Yeah.
monitoring all his plants up there. But this was quite a big deal.
Wow.
अब उसमें छोटा छोटा निकल रहा है न्यू ब्रांचेस. खत्म हो गया था देखो. This is an awesome thing. जो ऊपर वाला है ना, that room is Shubhangna's. These ones are older. My
So it was like a
grandfather
full
planted.
bagicha, like.
Kind of. Nobody was looking after it. It was like you could say it was sort of dying because no one.
But you
was
didn't
doing
even
it.
harvest the apples.
Nobody was doing anything here.
Oh.
So then what was happening? They were falling and then into the
Yeah,
soil.
yeah. My father and his brother were in the army, so they never came, and so the land was just being ignored. In a way, that was good for us that there was no fertilizers being pumped into it massively. So it took us less time to regenerate it. Otherwise, I think it would have taken us longer to bring it back. And then first, so there was nothing 6 years ago. We built the whole thing slowly, and then in 2018 we were ready to start hosting programs.
You said?
He's an old school friend of mine.
Because he's obviously, designed this keeping the trees in mind. Yeah, all the things coming down here. There.
Yeah, so the building he designed and helped us with. The house we built just.
This one.
Yeah, we just built it. We was like, okay, we want.
First this came, no?
First we built the structure and one room. Then we built this. And it was very important we don't cut trees. So we had to build it in this way. Otherwise, we could have made many cottages, for example, right? Which would have been maybe more private or whatever, but that meant we would have to cut that many more trees, which we didn't want to do. So we built upwards. So that was the idea.
And then obviously you had
Over a period of time, we then just built the staircases and all.
It was
Dhire
really
dhire.
nice,
Haan.
how this
Some of this is army Adam.
Geru chuna.
Geru chuna sahi hona chahiye. Yeah. You can tell, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, your dad will
There's
be
a
able to tell.
vibe, like.
There's a vibe, right? There's a little bit of a
Oh, I love it.
aesthetic, like the way this tree is. With
Oh,
that
my
thing
father has to be complimented for all the flowers, the way they're placed.
It's beautiful.
You know, mess mein karte hain na ye
हाँ,
log.
landscaping,
Landscaping
हाँ.
is very important.
Architect didn't do the landscape.
No.
At all.
This is my father. Because in the army, the mess and all, landscaping is a major part of it. They have enormous gardens.
Lawns are nice, party होनी चाहिए,
हाँ.
शामियाना लगना चाहिए, parachute लगेगा,
उधर से ऐसे फूल आना चाहिए. like,
fountain होना
हाँ.
चाहिए, rockery होना चाहिए.
That and all, this is all dad.
Love it.
Every single flower he's
All the
picked.
planning of how the steps are coming from here, all this. Very nice because it's very organic,
Yeah.
It's not like that cut one down,
Yeah,
cut one
yeah,
down,
yeah.
cut one down. It's got like this.
I think it was also because we built it over a period of time. So we saw, okay, यहाँ से चाहिए.
And
इधर से unnecessary नहीं करना. So like we thought about it, like small things. Like there is a little trunk thing here. अंधेरा हो रहा है, but I'll show you this one.
मेरा कायम रहे.
ये तो Slytherin ही है.
forest is one thing, it's a tour in itself, just placing it.
So like these stones, they were obviously broken, and we didn't want to cement things. We want the grass to come out. So we wanted to create a pathway. So the best way is
This is good.
Just
I
put
like
this.
the ones down below also, just enough to walk,
just enough. Yeah, it's mosaic. So like this tree, the father
Oh wow.
sitting here slowly decorating things. Like this little
That's so
tree trunk.
Japanese, like with a Zen garden,
Like for a man who was in the infantry all these years.
Yeah, so that creative side was.
All this something.
Yeah. Little
This
steps.
tree had to go, yeah.
This tree was already gone.
Okay.
This is a pine tree. We found like a trunk, so he then इसमें hollow, but like for a guy who had such a hard job, it's like flowers and fruits and like decorating. यहाँ पे ये वाला अभी इधर hydrangeas लगाया है.
It's a balance, na?
हाँ,
Hard job to up.
बिल्कुल soft.
That creative expression is flowing
Yeah,
through,
it's really nice. Like one tree here, there, the pathway going.
This we did
meandering.
plan a little bit. I wanted my studio and with like a triangle. This is the idea. The house is on top. The yoga studio is here. The pottery studio is here. It's a triangle.
Yantra.
हाँ.
Oh.
Well, they're obsessed with the yantras. They have all of them in the house. The Isha ones, anyway. They have all of them in the
It's
house.
an energy form, right? Like the triangle and all.
So this was important. Then again, these things my father will be like triangle mein hi banate hain. Like,
He's from
everything.
the army, but he believes in that. Yeah?
Extremely.
Yeah.
Oh my
In
God.
Vastu also.
Everything.
Yeah, Vastu is
आपका
very-
शक्ल भी बताएंगे पूरा.
हाँ.
Horoscope निकाल देंगे. सब कुछ आता है उनको.
बुलाओ फिर अंकल को.
No, uncle, if you meet uncle, you'll be like, Virangna Shubhangna kaun hai? You guys are idiots. Like, he's the real guy. My parents are like, the amount they know, we're like we know only a little amount of what they know.
What is the sunflowers?
Love
for? Is
it.
it visual or they
No,
doing
so they take the apple tree gets mites. So mites love sunflowers. So if you plant them next to it, they don't go to the tree. They will come to the sunflower. So it's called trap plants or companion plants. So you take all the insects on these flowers, and so they will not come here. Plus sunflower seeds, which are amazing.
Yeah, that's
This
what
is
you're
so
using.
intelligent.
Yeah.
And there's corn also there. Yeah?
There's corn.
Butta.
Come here.
Butta खाएंगे.
Grey water system, na? All the shower and kitchen water comes in this. These are aquaponic plants. There's charcoal and sand underneath it. Then it filters out into those two. So it's kind of like, we call it magic water. Like something is dying, you put that water, it regenerates. So over here, we have
Oh, lettuce.
Again, we have all these, we have planted all these trees amongst us. Cabbage, radicchio, in all the grow bags.
Sheet underneath.
So this is a mulch mat. We're testing it out. So to see if it actually works or doesn't work, we'll see. Everything's an experiment on this farm, and eventually
These
it works
vines
out.
are what?
These are baby apple trees.
Oh.
They will tomorrow be.
The babier than these even.
This is, look at it. This is a full tree.
Acha, oh, that's
हाँ.
like a, what do you call it?
A sapling, na? We rootstock बोलते हैं. हाँ.
Rootstock, yeah.
ये देखो sunflower इधर है.
Oh, yeah.
Look at how tall they
Here
are.
even and there even. Yeah.
Yeah, super tall.
Look at the size of it,
Yeah.
huh? Massive, big.
Huge sunflower.
And
And
there's corn, there's sunflower,
there's
pala,
potatoes,
potato,
palas,
everything.
lettuce, sauce, sage, rosemary, whatever we can grow, basically. We can find and we can grow. There's cherries, apricots, thoda sab lagaya idhar. This is only 1 acre, but we have a big farm down there where we have this in a larger scale, all of these plants.
That's
But
managed by people, yeah.
no, this also my father, that's why he goes every second day down there and look. Of course, we have labor, but he goes down there every second day and we go and like take care of it. But the thing is, we test it out here and then we apply it there in numbers.
Okay.
So all the spots you see is hail. It hits them.
hail. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
It hits them and then gives them these scars, which doesn't affect the fruit as such. You know, but whatever. People don't like it. The market, mandi doesn't like it rather. I discovered this while selling apples online. It's a myth that people want.
Organic, fresh.
नहीं, they do actually. The mandi में बोलते हैं ये नहीं बिकेगा. But if you ask people, they're willing to buy it.
Yeah.
So amazing.
Random stuff है बहुत सारा.
Plantation.
But they do sell their apples online.
Yeah,
as
she was telling it.
We will be
What is
in
the site?
from Shimla.
From Shimla.
From Shimla.com.
Black
If you want the
amber
best
plums
kind of
and
apples.
dehydrated plums.
Description in link.
Last year I couldn't buy because they sold out within a day.
Is it?
The only thing is, I would say it is my friend's website. We are only 5 farmers. We're all very young, and we're trying to do this. But I will not say that it's organic. So the ones they
All
are
of it,
selling.
yeah. But you sell
I'm the only ones. Honestly, we're the only farm doing organic apple farming. Again, this and there's 2 strawberry patches. Although he's picking and putting in your salad every day.
Oh.
But in the summer, you don't need to water here anywhere, yeah?
No, water is not a problem.
Okay,
because
it's from
snow.
the. Okay, okay.
So if it doesn't snow, then
कितने
it's
दिन में
an
लाल
issue.
होगी भैया?
ये आ जाएगी हफ्ते में
हफ्ते में लाल होगी।
हफ्ते में लाल हो जाएगी
ये बंदर वंदर नहीं
25 degrees is like,
बंदर नहीं खाते
and that happens only like 2-3 days in a year. और भी है कहीं
Who wants?
सैलेड में डाल दिया.
We had in the morning so many with salad.
Yummy.
अभी तो ये season थोड़ा सा, we are past the strawberry season a bit. But there was a point like about a month ago we were harvesting 4 kilos every day.
4 kilos?
It's because we have 2 patches. Every day there's so much strawberry. That's why I made so much jam. Because you can't eat that many strawberries every day. Like it's too much.
I want this problem to
ये
Here.
खाने का कौन सा
Yeah, take
flower?
another one.
You take it. I have that one.
You want it? No, you have. I had so many in the morning even.
Supporting each other, so they will self-generate and fall around everywhere. There are parts where the petunias are growing out of the steps only. We obviously didn't plant it there.
वो वहाँ पे.
हाँ, वो ऊपर से गिर के अपने आप ही. You create the conditions, it will propagate itself.
That's what Sadhguru
Yeah.
said, right? You just.
It's kind of the same, huh?
This is your house?
This is my room नीचे. ऊपर शुभांगना है. और उधर किचन है वो जो अभी वो अनपेंटेड वॉल्स हैं.
Screen you've made, yeah, with these bricks. It's a
What-
screen.
what? Yeah,
तोड़ दी ना
मैं वही बोल रही थी. मैं कहा भैया ने सैलेड में खिला दिया आपको सारे सारे.
I'll also take one.
एक तो
Then you know
I took the reddest one.
parents were like when they came. हाँ,
Oh my God, this is-
bathroom नहीं है, मंदिर
this is way sweeter than the one we ate on the
There's a
roadside.
mandir on top that has a हाँ, and his room is below that. So he stays right.
कलम करते कलम वाला बांस है
कलम हाँ ये बैम्बू है. हम बैम्बू उगा रहे हैं. हाँ? You can't. Sorry. Only because we have that yantra, so nobody can see it except family. Yeah. Apparently no one can see it other than family.
Oh, you can't see it also.
What?
I know I saw one thing on your
Like-
door. That's
Those are just general yantras. Like we have, my father's obsessed with them. We have all the yantras one can find in the world. We have them.